Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix and resolve taskbar unresponsive or not loading, frozen or not working in Windows 11 or 10. So guys, to resolve taskbar problem, firstly click on start. Now here type task manager, open task manager. In this list you have to find out file explorer. Right click on it and click on restart. Now close it. Again click on start. Now type here cmd. Right click on command prompt, run as administrator. Now type this command line sfc space slash scan now. Now press enter. Now wait for a few minutes till this scanning will complete, and once this scanning complete, close it and restart. Hopefully guys, after restart you can fix and resolve taskbar problems in Windows 11 or 10. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.